You pull the drain plug on your car, and out comes a stream of black, disgusting-looking motor oil. Most people see that and think, that's garbage. But here's the surprising part. That dark, dirty oil isn't necessarily useless. In fact, used motor oil can be recycled and turned back into usable lubricating oil. And the process is far more interesting than simply throwing the old oil away. So what happens to the oil after your mechanic drains it? Let's find out. First, why does motor oil turn black in the first place? When fresh oil goes into your engine, it doesn't stay clean for long. Inside the engine, temperatures can become extremely high. The oil is constantly moving through the engine, picking up microscopic particles, combustion byproducts, and other contaminants. Add in heat, oxidation, and tiny amounts of soot, and that golden-colored oil eventually becomes dark. But here's the important distinction. Dark doesn't automatically mean worthless. The oil itself still contains valuable base oil. The problem is everything mixed into it. Think of it like dirty water. You wouldn't drink it as it is. But that doesn't mean the water molecules themselves are worthless. They can be separated from the contaminants. Used motor oil can go through a recycling process designed to do exactly that. First, the old oil is collected. It can come from cars, trucks, motorcycles, industrial machinery, and other engines. The oil is then transported to a specialized recycling facility. There, contaminants such as dirt, water, fuel residues, and other impurities are removed. The oil can then be processed using methods such as vacuum distillation. This allows different components to be separated based on their boiling characteristics without exposing the oil to extremely high temperatures at atmospheric pressure. The result is a much cleaner oil fraction, but it's still not finished. The recovered oil can undergo additional treatment to remove remaining contaminants and improve its quality. Eventually, the recycled base oil can be blended with additives to produce new lubricating oils. And here's the part that surprises many people. Re-refined motor oil can meet the same performance specifications as oil made from virgin base oil when properly processed and formulated. So your old engine oil doesn't necessarily have to become waste forever. It can become part of another product. And recycling used oil has another major advantage. One small amount can cause a surprisingly large environmental problem if it's disposed of incorrectly. Used motor oil contains contaminants that shouldn't end up in soil, drains, or waterways. Pouring it onto the ground or down a drain isn't recycling. It's pollution. That's why used oil should be collected and taken to an appropriate recycling or collection facility. And this isn't just about environmental responsibility. Recycling also reduces the need to extract and process as much new crude oil to produce lubricating oil. In other words, the same oil that looks completely ruined can still have a valuable second life. There's even a fascinating difference between recycling and re-refining. Some used oil is processed into other petroleum-based products, but re-refining aims to recover high-quality base oil that can go back into lubricant production. It's essentially taking a product that looks finished, cleaning it, processing it, and giving it another job. So the next time you see that thick black oil draining from an engine, don't think, that's just waste. Think of it as a raw material that has already done one job and can potentially be processed to do another. Your motor oil may look filthy, but chemically, there's still plenty of value hiding inside that black liquid.